fish tacos.
Oh my gosh, love them.
Oh, Dad, do you want to start chopping up some cabbage?
Cabbage, okay. You're on, go.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a seasoning for a fish. We have some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, a lot of spices here. And then we have some chili powder. And then I added some salt. There's some salt in there. Salt's important.
Oh, I love it. Is it spicy?
Yeah, it has some chili powder in there.
Okay. Is that enough cabbage?
Perfect.
Madeline and Anna? That's
Thank
good?
you.
Okay. All right. Here's the fish.
I'm gonna clear these.
So we have some beautiful. I went to the market, guys, and I got some flounder. So this is flounder. You can use cod, right, or tilapia or anything like that. But really important to remember is I got it. They asked for it very thin and very even.
Some more. Yep. And then I'm gonna flip it.
And if you want to put more and make it have more spices, you can.
Yeah.
You can always put more or less. I feel like I would like in the middle. You can always put as much as you want on it.
Great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here, get that.
that's really fresh.
And they're nice and thin. I like thin.
Well, it helps to cook, right? So we got the oven on here. I think it's at, what is it at, Maddie?
So you're gonna bake these for 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Dad, do you want to put those in the oven?
Certainly. Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Oh.
All
All right. All right, what next? So I got the cabbage. What else you need to do here?
I'm gonna chop some lime.
Okay, you want me to make some
It's
avocado?
like wedges, so you could put it on as a top.
And then I have cilantro. I don't like to really chop up by that much, so I'm just gonna chop it up a little bit, right? Is that right, Dad?
Yeah, you can. I mean, one of the things about cilantro that I love, that we make a lot of guacamole. We go through avocados here like this, right? Like we're a restaurant here. So I like to use cilantro stems because a lot of people throw the stems away.
It gets crispy.
It's really delicious. There's a lot of flavor, and I learned that from a good friend of mine, Marcella, who just said, don't throw the stems away. So I don't.
I like the stems too because it gives it's crunchy too. Not like crunchy,
No.
but.
Also with my lime wedges, I like cutting them a little thinner so you don't get the middle part in it. It's just the lime.
All right. Okay, let's check the fish. Oh, it looks perfect. Guys, let's build some tacos.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Looks so good.
Oh,
yeah.
Be careful, it's hot.
Okay, now we are going to build our tacos.
All right, sounds delicious. Let me move this for you.
Yes.
So we have our beautifully charred tortillas. Wow.
We're putting these on.
Want to make 3?
Oh, look at that. Here, I'll take that for you.
I take this.
Then you always want to flake out.
So you're gonna keep just.
So look how moist that is. Wow, great job, guys.
It's good.
Yeah.
Here, give me, I want that one right there.
I'll get you that one.
Yeah. Wow, so good.
You don't want to break them into 2 small pieces.
You're flying fish everywhere.
All right, should I put a little cabbage down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I make my own taco?
You sure you can?
I want to put some cabbage on mine.
I love avocado.
My favorite taco is avocado, cabbage, lime.
I like to mash avocado so everything sticks when I pick it up and doesn't fall out. First, good trick.
That's a good trick. You don't want any
Put
cabbage?
everything in the thing.
Anybody want lime?
I put the cabbage up.
Sure, I'll take some lime.
Okay, some lime. This looks so good, not to mention kind of healthy, I want to say.
And easy.
Look how nice that fish is, and you don't have to break it up too much. You have nice.
Can I go in for it?
How about
Let's wait.
cilantro?
We're going to eat in a second. Give it a second. We need fish. Who's going to put that in?
Is that yours? Here, do you want the
give me
end
this
piece?
end here. Yeah, I love that piece right there.
Cilantro.
That
I
looks
didn't want
good.
any cilantro.
A lot of cilantro. You don't want cilantro?
That's fine, I'll take it.
Okay.
I love cilantro.
Are we ready to go in?
Oh.
Let me tell you, the spices are right on. So good.
It's so good. I love the spices because you really can taste it, and it gives it like a different taste.
It was so easy to cook the fish, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
So easy.
Oh, so good.